Greetings all, this is Subramanian Chandramouli, author of 4 Sales Book and Sales Trainer. We are in the video series called 108 Sales Question based on my 4th book 108 Sales Question, and today we are going to discuss video number 2, which is question number 2. And the question is, I am not good at networking. I am not comfortable talking to strangers. Can I still generate leads? And my perspective to that is, yes, of course, even without talking to strangers, you can generate leads. Some of the ways are, say for example, you be a speaker. You don't need to network, but in a big event, you try to become a speaker, or you be a member in the panel discussion. So once you are in the stage, after the speech or the panel discussion is over, people will come and talk to you. You just have to talk to them who come and talk to you. There you will automatically generate leads. You can also use digital medium to generate leads where you don't need to talk to people. For example, I am giving this video in LinkedIn. Similarly, you can write a blog post or give a podcast, use Instagram, use Facebook, use LinkedIn, or use Twitter to generate leads. There is another way. But having said that, if you're an entrepreneur or if you're a sales executive, you have to develop your networking skills. I can understand that you may not be comfortable talking to strangers, but you have to come out of that comfort zone. I'm not asking you to be an extrovert and go and talk to everybody you meet, but at least choose few people. If you go to a conference or a seminar, at least start having a conversation with them. Be a good listener and improve your networking skills, because this networking skills is not only going to help you in your lead generation, but is going to help you in multiple ways if you are an entrepreneur or a sales executive. So to answer to that question is, yes, even without talking to strangers, even without networking, you can generate leads in many other ways, but it's better to work on that networking skill and improve it. Thank you once again. This is Subramanian Chandramouli. If you like this video, share it with your friends, subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on LinkedIn and Instagram. Thank you.